Good morning, everybody. I am going to do this as a live video today. Not sure if the rest of them will be live or if they will be recorded or if they'll be my hyperlapse where it's the speed. Haven't quite decided that yet. This is going to be a little more intense than February's challenge, but it will be the same every week. So every Monday, unless I find some others that are just as challenging, but it's going to be a full body workout every day. So I have this, I will be posting on the page so that you can screenshot it. You can watch the videos and do it at your own pace. So today it's going to be a little funky because I'm going to have to look at this to see my eyes. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see it that it's on my wall. So I may have to revert back to this a few times during the workout. So let's get busy. All right, so we're gonna start with 10 sit-ups. Let me turn this down. All right, I don't know who's on watching, but good morning, good morning. We're getting ready to start our workout. We're gonna start with 10 sit-ups and then move on. We're doing a full body. And then I'll discuss like different ways you can do stuff if you can't do the full, I don't always do the full jumping jacks because I am a mom who sometimes can't hold their bladder. And so jumping jacks just don't work for me. So we can do like this when it comes to the jumping jacks. So anyways, I'll give some different ideas for your sit-ups as well. So let's get started, and hopefully this will catch me in the screen the whole time. All right, so when you're doing sit-ups, oh, I need to turn it down some more. All right, so when we're doing sit-ups, you have different options, okay? You can do it with your knees up, you can do it with your legs down, legs out, kind of whatever you want to do. You can do it with your arms here, or you can do, if you've got your legs spread out, you can be completely flat and come up for a sit-up. Those are always really nice. I know I have this far away, but if I bring it down, then when I stand up to do the standing up exercises, you won't be able to see me there. So this is why I need to kind of work and figure out how I'm gonna do this every day. If I'm gonna do it live, recorded, or a speed video. Let me know if you'd rather have it speed video, if that works better for you, or if since there's so many, you'd like it to actually be in real time in a pre-recorded or live video. All right, so we got 10 sit-ups. I really like the ones where I lay completely flat, legs spread, and bring my arms over. So those will be the ones that I am doing. You do however you want. We are doing 10, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're moving to push-ups. We only have 5 for today. Every day will be different. You can do on your knees, or you can do a straight push-up. The more we do, sometimes I go to my knees. Since I'm only doing 5, I'll do a regular. I'm not great with my arms, so don't judge me. I don't hold them extremely proper. Don't have that strength just yet. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Now we have 20 squats. All right. Make sure that you are lined right, that you're not way over. You want to spread your legs. Okay. Straight up and down. What did I say? We're doing 20 squats, and then we're going to move to lunges. All right. 1. You can use your arms and pull. Tighten those glutes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, almost there, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now we're gonna do lunges. We're gonna go back and forth. Each leg is its own, okay? So it calls for 15. We'll actually really kind of be doing 30. Okay, so you're gonna 1, 1, okay? 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Sounds like spring outside. 5. I hear the birds. Woohoo! 6. Ooh, 7. Feel the burn. 7. 8. 8. Almost there. 9. 9. 10. 10. 5 more. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. And 15. Ooh, feel that burn. All right. Now we have 35 jumping jacks. This is where I was talking. You can do a jumping jack or bring them in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Whew, if that doesn't get your heart pumping. All right, now it's a plank. Let your heart kind of come back before you just drop down. You don't want your heart lower whenever you're got it really pumping. You don't want to just lay flat on the ground. You want your heart to be up for just a little bit. Take some deep breaths before you do that next one. So I should have brought me some water. I wanted to have music on and I forgot, so there will be music the rest of the time. 15 seconds is nothing if you did my challenges all last month, because we gotta do 60-second planks. So 15 will be nothing, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, we have a 25-second wall sit. Yeah. And then butt kicks and we're done. So, woohoo, our exercise is almost over for the day. Y'all are awesome, you're killing it. So let's do a wall sit. 25 seconds. I don't have a timer because my phone is in front of me recording, but if you have a timer, set your timer. It's easier that way. You get your full amount. I do it just off of counting, so I may be off, maybe a little longer, maybe a little shorter. That's okay. Do what you can. So here we go. Try to go as low as you can. Try to sit in that chair. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you feel that burn? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 seconds to go. 20, 21, 22, 23. I can feel it. 25. And we're done. All right, so we got some butt kicks. Let me see how many. 10. That's not bad. Let's get our 10 in. And we are done for the day. Hello, Stephanie. You can go back and watch this when you're ready to do your own exercise. Got it right here for you. 10 butt kicks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Remember, let's stretch. I didn't stretch before. Sorry, I should have. Make sure you stretch out those legs. Stretching is so important. If you don't stretch, you're gonna lock up those muscles and they're gonna hurt really, really bad. So, come back every day. I will have a new challenge every day. Sundays will be our rest day. Have an awesome week, everybody. Love y'all, and we will see you later.